Let's make this night romantic together, Deep. It will be just you and me. The fragrance and the warmth of love.
Why did you need to?
Don't waste these beautiful moments in asking questions, Deep. Please let me do this. I am hungry.
Then eat it yourself.
Just a few more hours, Deep.
Virat, there is only some time left. My Tara will be hanged and this should not happen. Do something.
I can't understand anything, Mom. This case is so complicated that we cannot do anything legally. And because of you, fool! Why did you give a narco test?
I was betrayed. I had trusted that Danny. First, he did my work and won my trust and told me to sign on this narco test as it will benefit me. So I signed it. But I came to know later that he was working with Deep.
It's okay. I will kill them. They will die a dog's death. And I will punish Deep in such a way that he will never be able to betray anyone ever.
You're right, Virat. We will game him so badly that his death will become an example for everyone that what is the result of betraying Raichand family.
Did you see how I have decorated the moments of our love? I have preserved everything, including all the words and memories, just for you, Deep. In a hope that a day will come when Deep and I will recall every single moment together when we used to live for each other.
Every single moment that I've spent with you isn't a dream of love for me, but a nightmare.
Look into my eyes, Deep. What do you see? A beautiful dream or a nightmare?
You are crazy. I don't want to listen or see anything.
Then don't listen. If your heart believes that you hate me, and if you believe that our living together is just a curse, then you can gladly say that.
Yes. You and I, we hate each other. And you are a curse in my life.
Say it once again, Deep. I want to hear it repeatedly. You have only hated me, but I can do anything for you.
I...
Where is everybody? Come out!
Did you call me, Mom?
My daughter is looking very happy. Thank God, my child. For the past few days, I have been witnessing the love between you and Deep. It really calms my heart. It feels as if you two are made for each other. There is something that's bothering me. If, in case something happens to Deep, see? You won't be able to bear it. You won't be able to live with her. Nothing is more important to me than my children's happiness. Nothing else matters. You had a pet dog, a small puppy, when you were a child. You may not remember. He bit you once while playing. I had that puppy thrown away. More than my children's happiness and their safety, nothing else matters to me. Therefore, I have made a decision, Tara. It is a big decision and it is difficult. I have decided we will tell Deep about his secrets. We will tell him everything. After that, whatever happens, we will handle it, right? We are there for each other. Am I right? That's why we have to go to that place and get one thing that will remind Deep of everything.
What is it? From which place?
Hey, the place where the incident happened, you must be knowing it.
Ah, I remember. Of course I remember, Mom.
Let's go then. We have very less time and a lot of things to do. Tara, I was thinking that you should drive. You drive fast and you're a fast driver. We need to reach there soon. You remember that place, don't you?
Of course I do, Mom.
My daughter never forgets anything.
No. There is no place in my life for beautiful memories with Arohi. I don't want to see all of this. I want to find out something else. Something else.
By now you must have understood that Mom will not tell you the truth about your past so easily. But I think you should know everything. You should be told everything that you have the right to know.
Will you tell me the truth, Virat? Do you know the truth? Then tell me the truth. Tell me.
Yes, I know everything. I will tell you everything. Come with me.
Why are you going that side? It is this way, dear. Take it this way.
We are going after a long time, that's why I forgot. And this city changes its layout so often.
You are right. Tara, go left and not right. What's wrong with you? Do you see that gate in the front? Stop right there. Let's go.
What had happened with Deepya?
So, Tara, this is that place. Don't you remember it? Do you see the room over there? The cupboard in that room has the thing on seeing which Deep will remember everything.
What thing is she talking about? Only Tara will know what she's talking about.
But the problem is, there is no way to get there. I mean, there was a way. There was a ladder here, but we got it moved. Until we don't make a new way, there is no chance of getting there, you know. We'll have to jump. We can jump and go there. There's no other way besides that.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.